To send money from Turkey to Pakistan, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both Turkey and Pakistan. There are several options available, including banks, online money transfer services, and money transfer agents. Once you have selected a service, you will need to create an account with them. This typically involves providing some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and bank account details. You will also need to verify your identity, which may involve uploading a copy of your passport or national ID card. Next, you will need to provide the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account details. If you are sending money to a bank account, you will need to provide the recipient's bank account number and branch code. If you are sending money for cash pickup, you will need to provide the recipient's name and location. After providing the recipient's details, you will need to enter the amount of money you want to send. The service will then calculate the exchange rate and any fees that apply. Make sure to check the total cost of the transfer, including any fees, before confirming the transaction. Once you have confirmed the transaction, the money will be transferred to the recipient's account or made available for cash pickup. The recipient can then collect the money from a bank branch or cash pickup location. It is essential to keep the transaction reference number, as the recipient may need it to collect the money. It is also important to note that there are some restrictions and regulations that apply to sending money from Turkey to Pakistan. For example, there may be limits on the amount of money you can send, and you may need to provide additional documentation to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. To avoid any issues, make sure to check the service's terms and conditions before sending money. You should also ensure that the recipient's details are correct, as any errors may cause delays or problems with the transaction. Additionally, be aware of the exchange rates and fees, as they can affect the amount of money the recipient receives. In summary, sending money from Turkey to Pakistan involves choosing a money transfer service, creating an account, providing the recipient's details, entering the amount of money you want to send, and confirming the transaction. By following these steps and being aware of the restrictions and regulations, you can safely and efficiently send money to Pakistan.